Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another restocking video. So I had to postpone this week's restock because I've been super busy, but my next restock will be back on schedule and it'll be on May 24th. So the deal this week is you get 10% off your entire order if you use the code SlimeySale, and you don't have a minimum purchase. You guys can just purchase even one slime and you'll get the discount if you use the code. So I decided to always have cucumber melon stocked on my shop so anyone can purchase it at any time. It will always be stocked. So this one is scented like cucumber melon and it's super thick and glossy. And along with cucumber melon, Oreo McFlome will also be always in stock. So this smells just like Oreo's cookies and cream. It has a thick white base with some black glitters to represent the crushed Oreos. And it has some marshmallow beads and some black foam beads. Fruit Loops Crunch Bar will also always be in stock, so this smells just like Fruit Loops and it has a very thick white base and it has some marshmallow beads and some rainbow foam beads. And now moving on to like the weekly slimes that I will be restocking every few weeks. So this one is Pink Birthday Bash and I haven't restocked this in a while, so I decided to bring it back. So this one smells just like strawberries. It's a white glue foam with some white foam beads and red foam beads and has some fake sprinkles. And it's very crunchy and I just really love this one and you guys seem to like it too, so I brought it back. These next two slimes I will unfortunately not be mixing, but this one is Strawberry Banana Cream and it's a very thick cloud cream. The yellow side is scented like bananas and the pink side is scented like strawberries. And this one is Rainbow Sherbet. It has a mix of orange, white, and pink and it smells just like Rainbow Sherbet. It's a very drizzly cloud slime. Next is Mickey's Brownie Batter and this smells just like brownies. It's a very soft and spreadable clay slime. It's made with Daiso clay. So I know you guys love some Daiso clay, and this has some Mickey sprinkles on the top, and this is so cute. This one is Sweet Tooth and it's a very thick clear slime and it has no color, but it is full of like these very fine pink glitter, so it kind of looks colored but it's just glitter. But it comes with 2 random candy charms, so I was just showing you like what charms could come in it. And this one is also unscented to preserve the clarity. Next is Banana Laffy Taffy, and this is a super thick and glossy slime. I love the texture. It's scented just like grapes, and it's kind of like color changing, so it has some parts of like blue and purple, but once you mix it all together, it's purple. And then once you let it sit for a few days or like a couple hours, it'll like separate again. So I just really love this one. And the last two slimes are inspired by Haichu, like the Japanese candy. I think it's Japanese. So this one is Lemon Haichu, and it's scented just like lemons. And if you guys have ever seen Haichu, it's basically like transparent. So this one's like a clear slime, but not super clear, if you guys know what I mean. And then I have Melon Haichu, and this one is scented just like honeydew and super thick and stretchy.